To replace the pantry drawer in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Pull the old drawer forward, then hold the side rails as you push the drawer back and lift up to remove. Use the small flathead screwdriver to release the lower tabs to detach the drawer front. You're now ready to prepare the new pantry drawer for installation. Align the top edge of the drawer front on the drawer first, then snap the bottom edge into place. Confirm the side rails are pulled out, then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the new drawer and push the drawer in.